Now I will uh, solve this question. It's about the count function. So first, how many students are there in total? So in this, I have to use a count a function. Yeah, so we have 10 students. Then how many scores are recorded non-empty? So just count. Yeah, so 7 means 1, 2, and 3 is empty. Then how many students are marked absent? So count if. I select the range first, then criteria as absent. So 3 are absent. Then how many students are from section A? So again I will use count if, range is section, criteria is A. Then how many students do not have a score recorded? So for this I have to use count blank. Then how many students are marked present and from section B? So in that I have to use count if ifs have, because there's a two criteria. So first, yeah, so first I will count how many students are present. So here I select the criteria range, then present, then from section B. So section has a criteria range, then criteria 2 means count B. Yeah, so 4. And finally, how many students score above 85? So here count if, then range criteria is 85, more than 85. Yeah, so 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is, I see, I solve all the question using count if.